Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Suman and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my nighttime skincare routine. So for the last 2 weeks I have not been uploading any videos on YouTube because I was dealing with my own stuff for a few days. That's why I was very busy. So now here I am again. I will be sharing my nighttime skincare routine. So I hope you'll like this video. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so the first product I will be showing you guys is a face wash, and right now I am hooked with only one face wash, which is this from Recoil. And let's just take a moment and talk about the packaging. Isn't this so amazing? Like, it's very aesthetically pleasing. Yeah, so let's talk about this face wash. It's from Recoil. It's their Fruit AHA face wash and it's for all skin type, and it is also soap and sulfate free and promotes even skin tone and is also dermatologically tested. So what is AHA? I mean, what does it do for our skin, right? So it has so many work that it does to our skin. The first one is removing dead skin cells. It removes the top layer of our skin, which is the dead skin, to able to make way for the new skin cells. So it does that. Increased cell turnover ratio, as I said, has anti-inflammatory properties, reduce the appearance of fine lines. If you have fine lines around your mouth, side of your eyes, then it reduces that, and wrinkles too. That means it has anti-aging properties. Prevent acne, so good for sensitive skin also. Improve texture of skin, which it has for me. Trust me, I have been using this for a really long time and it has enhanced my skin texture and I made my skin really smooth and soft. After using this, I don't feel dryness on my skin, and I feel like this face wash is perfect for me because it has the right amount of AHA in it, because I have sensitive skin and I can't afford to use high concentration of these chemicals. So yeah, after you can see, after pat drying it, my skin will look so good and you can see the glow there. So it does that to my skin and it's really amazing, trust me. Okay, so yeah, this is an amazing face wash and I am loving it. I have been using this for the past 2-3 weeks and it has done wonders to my skin. Like, you can see right now I have no makeup on. You can realize, I guess I only have mascara, some blush and lipstick, that's all. But I have a sensitive skin and I tend to use the right products only because I don't like switching products so much. I switched to this one because the new face wash was not doing so much for my skin, and also same goes with the Face Shop face wash. They were not doing so well on my skin recently, so that's why I thought of switching to this one. Also very good for sensitive skin because it's very gentle on your skin. So I love this face wash. If you are looking for a nice gentle exfoliating face wash, just try this one. I don't even need to use any face scrub because it does the job for exfoliating the skin. So I don't even need to use a scrub. So I'm loving this face wash and I will be using this for a very long time, I think. So yeah, that's the first product. So the second product is same as if you have not seen my earlier skincare videos, I've talked a lot about this one. It's from Biotique. It's their Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Bio Honey Water. There's also another variant, the cucumber variant, but I like this one very much because it has honey in it and it says pore tightening toner with Himalayan water for all skin type. So it's great. It really is great for all skin type and I've been using it for a really long time and it is working very well on my skin and it has not stopped working. So I'm really loving it and the smell is so good. What I do, and I only use this in night time. So what I do is I pour 2 to 3 drops on my palm, rub it between my palms and just tap all over my face. I really enjoy using this. It has that cooling sensation and also it tightens my pore really well. So I love using this at night time. In daytime I use different products which I'll talk to you in some other video. But yeah, I love this toner. Really works on my skin and it has been working for a really long time. The price is 175. Biotique is a very affordable skincare brand. In such an affordable price, you are getting such a good product. So why not? I love using this one. So the next product is this facial oil from Plum. So the reason I'm still using this one, I know few people will say that it's so hot right now, still you are using facial oil. That is because the weather is really drying right now. I mean, it's not summer and it's not winter, so it's in the middle and it's a very weird weather right now. So I have to use this one right now also, because in the morning when I wake up, if I don't use this at night, my face will feel really dry and dessert, like a dessert. My face will feel like a dessert. So I have to use this one. So I still am continuing, and you can see how much I've used this up. So it's from Plum. It's their grapeseed and sea buckthorn. I don't need to repurchase this one again because in summertime I don't use any oil. And how I use it is, that comes to my next product which I'll be showing is this one. The name is Flucot C. It is a medicine which has been recommended to me by a skin doctor for like when I was 11 or when I was 12. Yeah, from that time I have been using this cream on my face, and yeah, I need to use this one because my skin is very sensitive and nothing suits me that well. So right now what I do is I take 2 or 3 drops of this facial oil, mix it with the cream and apply it all over my face. What it does, it brings back the glow and my skin feels so smooth. So I actually don't recommend you this one because it is recommended to me by a skin doctor. But yeah, I can't just say go and buy this one. But the rest of the product, yes, I can recommend you with my eyes closed. So yeah, that's my 4th product. So the next product is an eye cream. Like, oh my god, I have said this so many times in this channel that I don't believe in eye cream. I don't like eye creams. That's a waste of money and all that, so much things. And I've also told you guys Nivea cream which I used to apply under my eyes, and it was working. Trust me, it was working. That's why I told you guys also. But then I don't know what happened, it just stopped working and my under eyes was really in a bad shape. Right now, if you can see, my under eye is in a very good state. I have not applied any concealer or anything. Nothing is under my eyes. So let's talk about the product. It's this eye cream. So it's from the brand The Moms Co, and I am loving this eye cream. Like, I have been using for the past 1 month. How I got to know about it is I researched a lot about eye cream, an affordable one, because I don't want to waste money on an eye cream. So that's why I was hearing a lot about this brand and their eye creams also. So I thought, why not give it a try. Price is 474. I know it's not less, but you know how the eye cream prices are. I mean, one eye cream, it's like from a good brand, you need to spend 1000 or 2000 rupees for a good eye cream. 500 is still okay, but not more than that for just an eye cream. So I bought this one, I started using it. I was really skeptical if it will work on me because I really not used to trust eye creams. It has this massager thing, which that's another reason why I bought it, because it has eye massager. You just need to press it and then product will come out. Just need to take your ring finger, apply it and then massage it under your eyes. And this is really, this is really cold, and it feels very good when you massage it under your eyes. With this one, it feels really good. So I am doing this for 1 month, and yeah, my under eye looks good. It does not look bad at all. My under eyes looks good. So yeah, I would recommend you if you are looking for a nice eye cream. So yeah, this one. So the next product is a lip mask, and I guess everyone will know which product I'm talking about. If you have guessed it, then great. So it's from Laneige. It's their lip sleeping mask in the flavor berry, and this one is the mini size. And wait, let me show you. I have used like almost nothing is left, a really small amount is left, so I only use it before going to sleep, and in the morning my lips look so good and so soft. It really takes a good care of my lips. And with me also, now my mom is also using this one because she loves this one. She used to use Boroline, so then Boroline was not working for her, so now she asked me that what do you use for your lips. So I then said that I only use this lip mask. So she's also using now, and yeah, she's also telling me it's great, give me more. But trust me, you don't need a lot, you just need a really little amount, and just apply a thick layer on your lips and you are good to go. And I don't even use it like kuch der baad hi. I just use it before going to sleep, because in the morning time I use lip balms and all, and it works for me. But in night before going to sleep I have to use this one. So it's almost empty and I have a backup. That was the last product, and it seems that I use a lot of product, but trust me, it all works for me. That's why I have been using it. If I miss even a single one, my face will go like I don't know where. So I have to use these products. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 products. I know it sounds a lot, but I need these products. I can't help it. So yeah, you should. If you still don't have any nighttime skincare routine, trust me, you need it even more than makeup. Because if your skin is really glowy and even toned, you don't even need to wear so much makeup. Makeup is something I love doing on my face. Nothing like I need to have makeup on my face. I just love doing it. So just take care of your skin and love your skin the way it is. Trust me, you can't change your skin by hating it. So just using some right products, you can make your skin better, but you can't change your skin. So love the way it is. And with that, I have come to an end of this video. I really hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and comment down below. And until then, take care and love yourself. Bye.